Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Universe Samm. In this video we'll discuss about how to compress a large video file. There's an application called Handbrake. You can download it from Google. The icon is like with a pineapple. You can check my thumbnail for that. Install that application and then open it. You can drag and drop the file on this page. I'll open a file and check the properties here. 68.9 MB. So I uploaded this file. I need to compress it. Click on this tab here by the name of video. You need to move this constant quality RF thing towards the left side. And just let's make it 33. Now check where is it going to be saved. Check the path under save as. So you can even change the path wherever you want it to be downloaded, and then start encode. Now it's encoding. So this is pass 1 of 1. You can even check the remaining time, and it's 6 minutes. So I'll just pause my video and let the time pass, and then I'll come back. Okay, now it's done now. Okay, now browse through the same folder as you saved it in. You will find that file here. Now check the size. It's 29.4, almost half. So this is it. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Take care.